Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce your family's total tax burden using legal income splitting and spousal strategies, follow these step-by-step instructions to optimize your household taxes. Step 1. Employ your spouse in your business legitimately if you're self-employed. Pay a reasonable salary for actual work performed to shift income and create retirement plan deductions. Step 2. Hire your children in your family business. Wages paid to children under 18 are exempt from Social Security and Medicare taxes if you're a sole proprietor, and their income is taxed at lower rates. Step 3. Utilize spousal IRAs to make retirement contributions for a non-working spouse, allowing couples to double their retirement savings and deductions. Step 4. Coordinate timing of income and deductions between spouses to maximize benefits. The working spouse can take certain deductions, while the lower income spouse recognizes income. Step 5. Consider filing separately in specific situations such as when one spouse has significant medical expenses, exceeding the AGI threshold or substantial miscellaneous deductions. Step 6. Transfer income-producing property to a lower-income spouse. Investment income from property owned by the lower-earning spouse is taxed at their rate, not the higher earner's rate. Step 7. Maximize family tax credits, such as the child tax credit, earned income tax credit, and education credits, by structuring income to stay within phase-out ranges. Step 8. Review your withholding and estimated tax payments jointly to avoid penalties and optimize cash flow. Consult our tax professional to implement the most beneficial strategies for your family's situation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.